Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Today is day two.
Hi, the apartment. It's really nice, and you can cook your own food, and yeah, it's really good. It's
We're
clean.
gonna do the house too, and
Yeah, go ahead.
show me what.
Oh, sorry.
When you get to the door, you get the laundry room, the iron board, iron umbrella in case if it rains. There's a mop in the corner, right there, and a bucket, whatever. Whatever you want to do. It's your still kind of sweep. This is the second bathroom. This is the first bathroom that you get, which is like a guest bathroom. Like if someone comes here to visit, they can use this one if they want to. And then the next one, on this side, is vacant. On this side is the kitchen. You got a stove, a microwave, the vent, a sink, the fridge, and it comes with all the utensils, pots and pans, plates, see right there. Everything you need for your own safety. You can rewash them. There you go. You got all this stuff that comes with the apartment. Coffee maker. And then you get 2 stools and a bar. So you can entertain if you want. And people, Jesus. Yeah, so you can entertain. This is a dining table. 4 chairs. If someone comes over, they can eat, whatever you want to do. This is the living room, so people can relax, watch some TV, comes with a TV. This is a sofa bed in case if someone comes over. You can, oh nice. You can pull it out so they can sleep. Oh, my baby. Okay, you want to show them the balcony?
Yeah.
Okay, come Bobby. Okay. Come to the balcony. Okay. It's hot outside. Okay. This is the balcony.
This is the balcony right here.
It goes, this side is from the living room. You can come out from the living room or you can come out from your bedroom if you want.
Yeah. This is bedroom here, and living room here, and this is the balcony. You got a small table, yep. And
Yep. And the ashtray for the people that smoke. So unfortunately,
and look at the
don't
view.
smoke.
Look at the view. Oh man. And you got the pool right here. This is the pool. No? Okay, let's go now. We show them like the bedroom.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay.
Okay. It's a bedroom, master bedroom, whatever. Master bedroom comes with a bed, 2 side table, a table on the side, a dresser, and then we have those little bins. I don't know if people can use them to do whatever they want to do. I don't know, whatever you want to put in there that's extra, you can use that. And then another side table if you want to, chair. If you want to sit down and drink your coffee, read the news or whatever. That's my son. Being
This is my son. You okay, Papa? All right.
You have yellow.
Okay. And
then this is the bathroom. Actually, no, not mine. This is a closet slash where they keep the safe. Closet. This is a safe. You can hide your stuff and you put your own code and whatever.
yeah.
You can save it here and you can hang your clothes, put your shoes down here. And then have another one. Same thing, but no safe. It's a bigger closet. You can use here.
Big closet.
Okay. So
And put your shoes here, yeah.
shoes, and you can put your luggages after if you want. On this side, you have the sink. The sink. I don't know why the water's not going down, but you have a sink, mirror, blow dryer, soap and stuff like that. Little essentials, towels. And then over here on the bottom, you can also store your luggage there, your shoes, whatever you want to put on there. If you need more space, all right? Oh, my stomach. And then over here, you have another bathroom for shower and yeah, there you go. Bathroom, a shower, a toilet. It's bigger than, it's not bigger, it's better than the other one that we had yesterday. But for the past 2 days, I mean. But this one is really good. It has everything that we wanted. The AC is working, the other one wasn't. And then there's a place right here where you can hang the towels. The other one didn't have that either. So I think it should be good now. Come on.
Yeah. This is the house tour. Yep.
Yep, that concludes it all. You got the balcony, the bed, everything. I'm about to go fix some stuff. And then so that's it. Let's start with the kitchen.
And your name is?
Yeah. Sheena.
Thank you for the house too. She's my wife, and I think she did a good job. And for the house too. And gracias mi gente. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you, Papa. And this is my son, Donaldson. You gonna say something, Papa?
Yeah.
Say something. Huh? What? Alright guys, thank you so much. If you like a quick like two, you know, it's really nice. It's really nice here. Yeah, I'm just gonna give you a short tour outside, and you're gonna see it's really beautiful here. Really beautiful. Yeah, really beautiful. But be careful. It's beautiful here.
Daddy, look. Down.
Hmm?
It's there.
Where?
It's there.
Okay.
Disgusting.
Disgusting? My son. Yeah. This is where we are. We are here on the second floor here. You see it? Second floor. And yeah.
Daddy, come here.
Okay. Yeah, I gonna follow you, Papa.
Yeah, I think it's that.
It's so hot.
No, it's so hot.
Yeah. And I think this is a small bar, or they're gonna do something here, small bar. And I talked with the guy last time. He said they're gonna have a bar here, and they're gonna have a restaurant here. A restaurant like for breakfast, blah blah blah. Here, and this is the pool right here. This is the pool right here, and this is all condos. It's really, really, really nice. Look. And you're not too far from Plaza Bávaro, you're not too far from the airport, Punta Cana airport. You're not too far from down. Here es el parqueo, es la entrada y nos vamos para allá. Yeah. This is, you know, this is Vicalena Blanca. This is the hotel. I'm calling. We got, yeah, it's the same. Ese hotel es el Hotel Vicalena Blanca. Entonces tenemos la misma playa que el apartamento. Ahí estamos en la playa. Ahí. Estamos en la playa. Papa, look at this. Oh, nice. You like it? Yeah. Oh. It's really, remember? This is Vicalena Blanca. Yo, we on the beach now. Yeah. Yeah. Oh man. Oh, it's bad today. Oh man. Papa. Okay. Yeah. Right now we are on the beach right now. Estamos en la playa ahora, pero el problema es que El tiempo está muy malo hoy.
It's raining.
Está lloviendo ahora ya.
Down. Put it down.
Alright. I'll have to close.
All right.